Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to withdraw from mining rigs. It's important to note that there are a few ways to withdraw, with the main way via a cryptocurrency exchange. First, transfer your coins. Send your mining crypto from your mining address to your wallet on a cryptocurrency exchange like Binance or Coinbase. Sell for fiat. Sell your cryptocurrency for a local currency like USD or Euro. And finally, withdraw to bank. Withdraw the fiat currency from the exchange to your linked bank account. Or you can use other methods like peer-to-peer platforms. Sell directly to other buyers on P2P platforms where you can negotiate terms and payment methods directly. Crypto debit cards. Use a crypto debit card that automatically converts your crypto to fiat at the point of sale, allowing you to spend like a regular debit card. Bitcoin ATMs. Convert your crypto to cash at a Bitcoin ATM, though be aware that fees can be higher with exchanges. Over-the-counter desks. For large amounts, OTC desks offer direct liquidity and are a suitable option for high-volume miners. Some important considerations. Be aware of transaction fees on exchanges and ATMs, which can vary and add up. Cashing out crypto is a taxable event, so be sure to understand your tax obligations and factor them into your withdrawal plan. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.